KS Tool has been shaping excellence in carbide tools since 1996. Here are 3 key strengths of KS Tool end mill. Strength 1. Every tool begins with materials of the highest quality. Crafted from premium German super hard steel for unmatched durability. High-quality materials enable stable performance across a wide tool range. Strength 2. Applying advanced PVD coating technology for lasting performance. Advanced coating technology enhances performance and efficiency. From raw material selection to final inspection, every manufacturing step is carefully controlled to deliver consistent and reliable quality. Strength 3. Tailor-made tools delivered on time to meet every customer's demand. A comprehensive product range designed to meet diverse machining needs. Certified for quality, environment, and technological excellence. Trusted by global manufacturers who rely on KS Tool precision. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us